Welcome to our test site here at Oberpfaffenhofen near Munich. We are here today to test out our Stage 3 vehicle. Plan is to do a full duration flight profile hot fire. We're now at the point where we're about to start loading up nitrous oxide into the system, and then after that we are all go for today's hot fire. After you finish the purge, before we start loading into work, we'll start off all the cameras.
Fill operator, turn off the umbilical power of battery 3, 4 and 5.
Turning off umbilical power for battery 3, 4 and 5. Battery.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Engine looks fine.
Batteries also look fine. "570 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shut down. We're now coasting. Ignition will be in 2,520 seconds. Sequence starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shut down.
So that's a wrap. We've just finished our qualification test of our Stage 3. It's right behind me. That means we're ready to ship it to our launch site in SaxaVord, and after that we're on to first launch.